Want to make Axiom actually match your vibe? Stick around. I'm going to show you a browser extension that lets you fully customize your Axiom trading dashboard's colors, plus how to install it, use it, and where you'd find even more tools just like this. AxiomShift is a Chrome browser extension that lets you change the default colors of the Axiom DEX interface to your liking. It's a simple but powerful way to make your trading environment feel more personal. And honestly, who doesn't like to do a little customization? To install it, let's head over to the GitHub repo, which is linked in the description below. This extension is Chrome only, so make sure you're using that browser. You're going to click Code, download zip, and you're going to save it somewhere where you're not going to forget it. Then you're going to go to that folder, you're going to right click on that zip file, and you're going to hit Extract All. Then, when you're ready to load it up, you're going to go to your Chrome Extensions tab. So you can type this in here, I'll show it on the screen, and then you're going to make sure you enable developer mode on the top right hand side. Then you're going to go to Load, Unpacked, choose your AxiomShift folder that you created, and then hit Select Folder. Then you'll see it appear in your Axiom extension. If you are into trading meme coins, which likely you are since you are here, or want to start doing it smarter, I highly recommend using Axiom DEX. It gives you powerful tools like automated limit orders and a vast amount of other tools that can literally save or make your bag. Use my affiliate link in the description. You'll get 10% off your trading fees, and it helps support the channel so I can keep putting out content that actually helps traders like you and I. Once it's installed, you can dive in and change the color values directly. It's not overly complicated with themes or extensive amounts of buttons, and it is extremely simple to use. If you have experience with color codes, you can use a variety of color code methods or types such as hex colors, RGB colors, etc. in order to get the exact color you're looking for. Or better yet, to make things even easier, you can take a screenshot of a color somewhere and use the color picker to get the exact match. Now that it's installed, let me show you how to use it. Go up here and you'll see you have primary background color, secondary background color, label, and button color. When you choose your primary background color, you can change it to any color you like and any variation of that color, which is pretty cool. And then when you choose your secondary color, you will see it changes some of these cards on the screen with an Axiom. And we can go into one and you can see it changes all of this stuff here as well as your instant trades menu. And then you'll notice the buttons such as deposit. You would go here and you would change that, and you'll see that it also changes some of your other buttons that are labeled here on the screen as well, like your preset buttons. It changes the deposit button and a couple other buttons down here in the bottom left hand corner as well. If you're unsure on what colors you want or the codes for the colors, and you just kind of want to copy what somebody else kind of has going because it matches your vibe, just pull up a video. For example, this is Jacoby's video, and you can go to the AxiomShift stylus button and say that you want to copy the background. You choose the color picker and you choose the color, just like that. And you can choose the secondary background, same like that. And then you can choose the button color, which he uses this color. And now when I go to Axiom and I refresh, my Axiom is going to look just like his. Now he also has a trading window here, and to update your color for your trading window, you just go in here and you choose it yourself, like this. Mine is set to a gradient. You can set it to a solid color if you like that. But I like to do the gradient. I think it looks a little bit better. And there you have it. That's how you use AxiomShift. In our Discord community, we offer more tools for free for you to use. We are constantly developing, updating, and fine-tuning the tools we offer absolutely free to our community members. If you want to see more of what we offer, or just looking to join a badass community to help you learn and grow in your trading journey, join our Discord. The link's in the description. If this video helped, smash that like button. Subscribe for trading tips, strategies, and tools of the trade. Oh, and drop a comment if you've customized your Axiom colors. I'd love to see what you come up with. I'll see you guys in the next one.